guys, kembali lagi sama YouTube kita. Kita lagi di Monday.
What you gonna do with all that junk inside that trunk?
I'ma get you drunk, get you little drunk off my hump, my hump, my hump, my hump. They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. And oh my, I like your style. You make
Well, I will call you darling, and everything will be okay. 'Cause I know that I am yours and you are mine. Doesn't matter anyway. In the night, we'll take a walk. It's nothing funny, just to talk. Put your hand in mine. You know that I want to be with you all the time. You know that I won't stop until I make you mine. You know that I won't stop until I make you mine. Until I make you mine.
Oke guys, kita udah hampir sampai di Sikulo. Tapi ini di belakangnya ya guys. Kita masuknya dari belakang, soalnya di depan tuh ombaknya tinggi, jadi kapalnya nggak bisa turun di sana. Aduh, kita harus jalan kaki. Capek. Sebaiknya kalau kita lo 10 harus beli sendal jepit. Kalau sendalnya bagus, dia akan rusak. Oke guys, kita masuk rawa. Enggak.